have 2 to negative 3, then we have 1 over 2 to the third. But if I have 1 over 4 to negative 2, this is 4 squared. And the long division, we can look at any problem you want. So let's say x to the third minus 2x plus 1. So the term with x squared is missing, and let's say we divide by x plus 2. Is this an example that you would like to work on, or?
Yes.
Good. So first we have to find the first term and then distribute and write below like terms. And that will be x squared. X squared times x is x cubed, but I have to write the opposite. X squared times 2 is 2x squared, but I have to write the opposite. Always write the opposite. I always have to write the opposite because I'm not adding, I'm subtracting. Is this okay so far?
Yeah.
Good. So now x times what is this? So remember, that's a key. If this is x squared, this cannot be x cubed or x squared. It has to be 1 degree lower. So negative 2x times x is negative 2x squared. I have to write the opposite. Negative 2x times 2 is negative 4x. I have to write the opposite. So this is 2x plus 1. X times what is 2x? So I have to write plus 2. Notice what I said, degree 2, degree 1, degree 0. And 2 times x is 2x, but I have to write the opposite. 2 times 2 is 4, but I have to write the opposite. So this division was x to the third minus 2x plus 1, everything divided by x plus 2. I have to write the quotient, x squared minus 2x plus 2 minus the remainder over the divisor. And it's very simple. You can always go back and verify. How do you verify? You multiply x plus 2 by this. You subtract 3. You must get this piece. If you don't, this is wrong. Maybe this is wrong. Maybe both. How do you remember this? Very simple. 10 divided by 3 is 3 integers and 1/3. 3 times 3 plus 1 is 10. 3 times 3 plus 1 is 10. This times this minus 3 has to be this. That's how you remember it. 3 times 3 plus 1 must be 10.
Yeah, that makes a lot of sense.
This times this minus 3 has to give us this. If it doesn't, this or both.
So it's basically like the denominator times the whole number. You should get the improper fraction.
Yes. No, yes, I understand. This is not the way we write for numerical fractions, but this is the way we have to write for polynomials, for rational expressions. If you omit the symbol, you're changing it into a product, and that will be incorrect.
Okay. Makes sense.
So we touched up on the negative, and also if you have a negative power on a fraction. So if I have 1/2 to negative 3, this is 2 to the third.
Right. What about like 2 plus 1/2 squared, all parentheses, the -2.
Negative 2?
But half is also squared. Like inside the brackets or the parentheses. Yeah, that's squared. Yeah.
And this is negative 2?
Yeah.
Okay, so then I have 2 plus 1/4. raised to -2. I have to, by the order of operations, 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1 is 9. And then I have 4/9 to the second power, and I have 16 over 81.
Okay. Yeah, that's,
I have to perform the operations inside by the order of operations and then raise to the power that is outside.
well, it's just me double checking that I did it right. in my head.
Sure, yeah. Good. Anything else? Well, you are free to go if you want to do other things. I'll stay with the people who still need any help. It's up to you.
Question for you. Is there anything else that you feel like I should be practicing for the test today? I have literally been studying my butt off.
Excellent.
But I feel like I just need to keep studying. I can't stop.
Yeah, that's how math is.
Okay. So
Yeah,
if there's
it's like
anything that we should go over, can we please go over more?
we went over everything really, and I cannot do it in 5 minutes as the other students
I
said.
know.
Can you review everything in 5 minutes? I said I wish I could.
No, I don't expect you to do that. I'm just thinking, like, is there anything you feel like we did not go over today in class that will be on that test?
We covered absolutely everything.
Okay.
We did
Perfect.
not leave any stone unturned.
Awesome. Then I'm pretty sure I'm ready.
Good.
Okay.
Anyone else needs anything? But please come back on Thursday because we are going to start reviewing the previous 3 tests. Hopefully we don't need anything from this one, but we may want to go over it in class. Who knows? If we need to, we'll go over it in class. That's fine.
I have one last question.
Yes.
I think it's in 8.1. I think it's question 19. It's like, excuse me. It's like the absolute value. When are you supposed to put the absolute value in your answer? Wait, hold on. So is it only when there's like a variable?
Oh, yes, of course. Yes, of course. You're not going to put the absolute value on 2.
Oh, okay. I see now. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Do we still need to work on that problem?
No, I think it's fine.
You sure?
Yeah, thank you.
I don't mind. It takes a blink.
No, it's okay. Thank you.
Okay.
And if it's like x minus 5 or anything in parentheses, joules under the radical, that needs absolute value too.
So if it's
Okay, thank
the
you.
square root of 5x plus 2 squared is the absolute value of x plus 5x plus 2 if we have no indication. If it says that everything is positive, then you don't need the absolute value. But if there is nothing specified, then you need the absolute value.
And when it's an odd root, you don't need absolute value at all. Correct?
Yes.
Just making sure.
Yeah. That's what we wrote. Again, yep. Anything else? Well, I will see you on Thursday then.